Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I want to talk to you about the most popular Ayurvedic herb, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has soared in popularity primarily because of stress. People today are stressed for so many reasons. They lose sleep, can't think clearly, and become really fatigued. And many people find ashwagandha to be very effective because of its ability to help you balance the stress you feel. You see, when your body experiences stress or excess stress, your adrenal glands produce excessive cortisol. Now, adrenal fatigue can happen when your adrenal glands release too much cortisol, and ashwagandha actually acts as an adaptogen to help your body achieve proper balance and adapt to this stress. Ashwagandha is very affordable and has quickly become one of our most popular herbs. You can be sure our organic ashwagandha is prepared under the highest quality controlled standards according to traditional Ayurvedic practices that use the entire ashwagandha root rather than an extract, so it can help you optimally take control of your health.